gotta be quiet. So today's video is going to be a drive with me featuring my sister. This is my sister Demaya. She's been in some of my videos, but she hasn't really been in the video lately, right?
Lately.
Yeah, lately. But she's been in like some older videos. Say hi, like stop being shy.
Hi guys, we're back on another banger.
We have some errands to run. I have to get some gas. I have not been in my car since I graduated, y'all, and I have like barely any gas because I haven't been driving it since I graduated. And I graduated June 16th, and it's currently June 11th, I think. I have not touched my car since. We've been, yeah, like close to a month. I haven't touched midnight, but we're in here today. It's super hot, so I hope this isn't too loud because it's hot. But once we play the music, hopefully, so we're gonna be playing music. So I'm gonna go through like some songs. We're just gonna have fun. Right now we're about to go to Walmart and then pick up some stuff, and then afterwards we're gonna get gas, and then who knows what we're gonna do next. So yeah, are you in focus or not?
Baby girl, what you doing? Where your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I got on ice, but then I watch the ice.
I don't know the words yet.
Blue faces,
I got blue diamonds, blue tint, yeah.
Look at you thinking you color without them. Now look at you living. Look at you doing way better than all out of your feelings. Yo, it just came back and your ass get a little bigger. Girl, for that little nigga. Girl, for that little nigga. Hey, cause you don't deserve that. You don't deserve that. You don't deserve that. Hey, you can do better. You let him cheat on you. You let him beat on you.
Oh, baby, don't do that. Cause I was doing something.
Jumping out of narco like don't like Pablo. Like Pablo.
Hey,
Truck trip with the Draco. Straight out the jungle.
I was about to get out without taking my seatbelt off. Where was you going? I don't know.
Didn't know what the fuck is that. Took a shot at any out of bag. No bad day. Get it. Smash no bitches, get it. Run the chair with no limit.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million bills. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the chulo, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes where they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can. They call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale.
I still see the shadows in my room.
Can't sing that.
I still see. So yeah, I braided my hair. Just a little. I did this. It took 22 hours basically. I'm currently in the process of popping my nails off, but I don't like to do them in the way that it hurts. So like, the day that I started my braids, like one of them came off, like when I hit the door, and so I clipped it down. But this one just came off in Walmart. Sorry to flick you off, but and it's really long. So.
No starch, please. Soon as I nut, you can go. Leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cardiac glasses, I won't even peek at you. Crazy, wham, bitch on the baby. I came, I saw, I praise the Lord, and break the law. I take what's mine, and take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it.
It's a better angle.
Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Nothing. Boss.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, baby. Do you love me? Trap money, Benny. I buy you champagne, but you love some.
So we're at Pelicans, if you guys know what that is or not. It's like a snow, what is it, snow cone place. They have like 100 flavors, whatever. It's really cool. So we're about to go get some, and yeah, and we'll just be back with our Pelicans. So yeah.
Let a nigga inside. Yeah, let a nigga inside tonight.
Oh, baby.
Why don't you just
In the middle. I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me Aaliyah and Tupac. And I pop from the jump, ain't nobody too shocked. And I'm out collecting rollies, you save up for G-Shock. Got a bag from the label, I invested and I flipped that. I should write a book on how I motherfucking did that.
Whoa, whoa, baby, poke it out, poke it out, poke it out, baby, poke it out. I just wanna get you closer. I don't wanna play these games, 'cause she's fucking wicked. But I love the way she hurts me, I'm so addicted to her love. And be sure that you're keeping your distance from her love.
I love Canon.
Baby tryna count me out, but listen, I'm just counting blessings. A real woman by the paper. Niggas don't know where I came from. Why I really care. You never can say I'm lacking. I go crazy.
My condolences to anyone who's ever lost me.
Wanna be like, are you down to be a distraction, baby? But don't distract me.
So guys, my sister's annoying me. So
Now I got
this is the end of the video. This is the end of the stop. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me driving around with my sister. I would say comment below if you want to see more videos of her, but
yes, comment below.
if you guys enjoyed this video, comment below if you want to see more videos with me and my sister, and comment below if you guys want to see more drive with me's. I've been thinking about converting my drive with me's at least like doing a playlist drive with me, like my current playlist videos that I normally do, but do them in the car. So let me know if you guys want to see that. And I think that's everything. I will talk to you guys in my next video. All my social links are in, all the social media links are in the description, and you guys can follow me on there to connect with me closer. And I can't think of anything else, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Keep calm and stay sassy. Bye. Alright. Oh, my camera's on.
Come see me. You know I got love galore on repeat. First class when you said I took your seat. I was staring at you like, damn, that's me. I was staring at you like, damn, you lit. Looking like a queen that don't take no shit. Might just fly to the west real quick. Shout out what you mean, you deserve this, dude.